In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Fireflies AI with Zapier. To follow along, make sure you have active accounts for both Zapier and Fireflies AI and that you're signed into the Gmail account you plan to use. We'll build a simple automation where a Fireflies AI event triggers an email in Gmail, but the same flow works for many other apps. Start by heading to zapier.com and sign into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click Create. Then select Zaps to open the visual editor where we'll build the workflow. Zapier always starts with a trigger, which is the event that kicks everything off. Click Trigger to choose the app that will start your automation. In the app search bar, type Fireflies AI, then select it. Next, choose the trigger event you want. This could be something like a new meeting or a completed transcript. Pick the one that matches your goal. When prompted, sign into your Fireflies AI account so Zapier can securely connect. If you see an authorization screen, review the permissions and continue. After you're connected, configure any options the trigger offers, such as picking a workspace, a meeting type, or other available filters, so you capture exactly the events you care about. Click Test Trigger to pull in sample data. This confirms that Zapier can see your Fireflies AI activity and gives you real example fields to map later. Now let's add the outcome you want. Click Action to define what should happen after the trigger. Search for Gmail and select it. Choose the action event, like send email or create draft, depending on whether you want messages to send immediately or be reviewed first. Connect your Gmail account if you haven't already, and then configure the action. Fill in the To field, write a clear subject, and compose the body. Use the data picker to insert details from Fireflies AI, meeting title, date, participants, or transcript links, so your email is personalized and informative. Keep your message concise and consider adding context for recipients, such as why they're receiving the update. When everything looks good, click the test button for the action to send a sample. Check that the email arrives, the fields are mapped correctly, and the formatting reads well on both desktop and mobile. If anything's off, adjust the configuration and test again until it's right. That's it. You've connected Fireflies AI to Gmail through Zapier and verified the flow end to end. From here, your automation is ready to run whenever your chosen Fireflies AI trigger occurs, helping you save time and keep your team in the loop automatically.